Okay guys, so we're sneaking back to the window. Guys, here is my window, right? Oh. I'm gonna get my dog some water, so let's go. I can't get the dogs to bark, but look what they're doing. Shoot, what is that? Okay, we got to see them, so let's just check that off the list. Look at him. You can't even see him, guys. Okay, now I'll do it. You wanna hold the light? Yeah, you hold the light. Get on there. Is that the dog's bark? Yeah, dude, the dog just barked. Can you hold the light right now? Yeah, I got you. Get on there. Oh, shoot. Okay, I can have a light. Shine at yourself. Wait. Huh? What the world? Dude, is that my dog? Run, run, run! You're here. Get him. Bro, we almost got shot, dude. Turn your light. Did y'all hear that? Dude, this thing is almost about to call the cops. Dude, I'm about to get shot. Where are we about to go? Dude, shot him. Dude, guys, we almost got shot, bro. I think, should we reveal ourselves to him? Okay. They can't know. Sneak around and get back in the window. We'll come back. Whenever we get back inside. Or whenever something happens. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to try to, that was my dad, but he does not know that it's us. So we're going to sneak around and try to get back in my window and try to hide in my closet. I don't know what we're going to do, but so let's go. I literally just heard something. So let's get out of here. But we're going to walk all the way down here. Okay guys, so we're about to go around there, and so we're about to travel around. Let's go. So I don't know if I should show you our address. Well, I know I shouldn't, so that's why I'm keeping the camera down. Oh, dude. Why'd you tell us to get down? Because I see them. They're watching us out the window. They don't even know it's us though. I was supposed to spend the night. with him, bro. That's so crazy. They really don't know, bro. That's crazy. I'm a YouTuber. I think they were looking at us through the window. Bro, like, look at that. That's my house right there. See that? Bro, They were looking.
This is scary.
Bro, because like, I don't know why he should have done this, because he does, in the attic, he has a gun, bro. And they're just going to think it's just a bird, right?
I do.
Okay, so what we're about to...
When we get to the mailbox?
Yeah, right when we get to our mailbox, guys, right when we get there, I'm jumping over and I'm sprinting. So the camera may look a little shaky, because plus it's a iPhone what? XR. I mean, it is pretty good, but... Okay, guys, so... It's ours. Let's go. They shut it. No, lift it up. Lift it up. Can we get around? Yeah, they're watching. Let's go. Dude. Is this open? Wait. You record. Okay, bro. Oh, snap. You're dead there. No, leave it open this way. Leave it kind of open. Oh, run! Run back! Get out! Get out of the car! Dude, they saw us. She came out the back way. I thought she would. Oh my God, I think they should identify her. Here, quick. Dude, I have to sit down. I have to sit down, bro. I'm not even joking, guys. I really have to sit down. I fell in a ditch and I think I sprained my ankle. Like, no joke. Hold the camera. I gotta stretch my leg out. Dude, your mom came out and saw us. Yeah, bro. We almost made it back around. But then she came out and was like, who is that? And then we just dashed. Bro, if they come out with their phone and they're on 911, I never thought. I don't know what we should do. Because I told you, they're going to hear us and they're going to come around that corner. I told you, bro. Bro, when I opened that gate, dude, she's scared. You heard me say, Dee, I feel like I'm around the corner. Guys, literally, if you cannot see me, I'm sorry, but... Oh, shoot. Lay down. Stay still. She's out here. She's walking out. She's going back inside, I think. She went back inside. She went back inside. Okay, no. That was a close one. Oh, yeah, she almost came. I wish I should have filmed that, but, like... Oh, I really thought someone was moving, guys. Comment in the comment section if the comments are not disabled, if you thought somebody moved right there. Because what I was saying... Dude, they're so cute. Look at how big that mosquito is. Holy crap. Guys, what I was saying is, you can tell, look at my merch. But, yeah, guys, what I was saying was, we went around and she was like, pretty much like right there. And so but I'm so really surprised I opened that gate. Then you slammed open the gate. And I said, your dad or your mom's gonna come around that corner. And they did. So we had to run. Yeah, but like, I really don't think, they're not looking out that window. If I had a rival come to my house, I'd be looking out that window. Well, this is my house, but. Dude, I don't know. Do you think they locked that window? No, but plus it screeches and it's so loud, so I didn't want to open it. Like, you might have to stay on the trampoline for a while. No, because that's just so much racket. I think because I was just about to say, I think we enter in the dog gate, but then we're in the backyard. They're definitely going to see us. And we got to see if they're looking through that
We gotta see if they're looking through or they're sitting on that bed.
What we're gonna have to do, guys, is go through the bushes. So we're about to go in the garage and go get my boots so I'll have some shoes.
Hey, watch this walk. Dude, she's looking through the window. She's looking. Get out. She's right there. I don't know if you can see that, but she's in that window on the left. Okay, army crawl. Did we army crawl? Huh? Did we army crawl up there? No, because I can see her head sitting there in the window. Did y'all see that?
They shut all the lights off. Are they going to bed? No, they could not. They know we're here.
There. Y'all see that window right there? It's not focusing, but it's right there.
I think they're trying to get us to leave, but...
They're trying to get us to come in and sit there and went to sleep so we can go, so that we'll want to go in.
But, guys, our bride, his mom, is not really here because she thought we were going to stay all night. So,
holy crap, dude.
The only reason what we could do is just stay out here. There's no reason.
You know what to do. What should we do?
Oh yeah, so they're just looking to the window, so we have nothing to do. They just, if you cannot see anything in that window. I would show y'all, but like, look at that. You cannot
see her head just moved out the window.
So you can't look at that. It's so dark up there. So, and it was so bright. So I think they're just cut off the lights so how to get us to go, but we have nowhere to go. So, guys, should we army crawl? Like, what should we do? Okay, I'm gonna
leave in the comments below. Should we armor crawl or try and run around back? You want to try and run behind that green box? Whenever I say go, you see that green box over there by that lamp?
Yeah, you see it, guys?
Yeah, we're gonna dip over there and run behind it.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
We don't know what to do because now we can't tell if they're looking or not.
Oh, peek. Bro, you cannot see. So should we just... Let's go get my boots because they can't see us, right? Okay, you stay here and I'm going to get my boots. Well, I'm taking the camera with. They're about to open it with a gun, bro. I was so scared of that. So now, do you want to... Bro, there's something blue. I hear my dad's office blue. Shh.
I think he's videotaping us.
Bro, for the cops?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Did we just need to run down somewhere?
What should we do? What was that? I think it was wrong. Should we just try and make a run for it for your room and see if we can get it undone? Because I feel like they won't be able to see us if we're at your room.
I know, but that window just creaks so much. I don't know. We just need to try for the backyard.
Dude, I think we need to try for your bedroom and see if they come in. And if they come in, we're gonna sit on the outsides of it. Like one of us on the right side, one of us on the left. And we're gonna sit there like real up close to the wall so he can't see us or they can't see us.
Okay, I say it's just I'll video on my phone, you video on your phone, and we just split up. You go try the window, and I'll go around and try to sneak in from the backyard.
You go through the dog's gate, and if you can't get through there, we both go around there, and you try and get through the dog's gate, I'll try and get through your window. If one of us fails, we'll meet up back on. If one of us fails, no. If you fail, come back here, and then text the other person.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm about to start videoing.
Alright, tell me when you're ready to go. 3, 2, oh, you ready? Get up and like you're ready. Get up. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Open this window. Oh snap, my phone fell. We're gonna try and open this window. I'm not hearing. I think he's gonna go out back. Here we go. Let's see if it happens. Oh, it's unlocked. Alright, y'all. What should we do? Alright, Diddy started banging on the door, trying to talk us. Oh God, trying to cause a distraction for us to get in, for me to get in.
And I think it thought I broke the glass, and I started to like scream like a
Holy
little
Jesus,
girl.
there's a lot of spiders.
Oh gosh, should we move back to our other spot?
No. And his mom started screaming. So I don't know what to do.
Cut the camera.
It's shit to hide. I don't know.
We're trying to hide in the shed, but it's trying to go.
No, it's just a prank. It's just a prank. It's just a prank.
Right, so I'm gonna get on my camera. Wait, let me get in the car. Mom, it was just a prank. Oh, it scared me. Oh my goodness.
What are you doing here?
They said it was
What's up your lane?
They said it was just a prank. Oh, it scared me to death.
I was on the phone
I thought
calling the
somebody was
cops.
getting in your shop. Okay, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, I just got done ending this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. And look, Lane over here is just playing some Fortnite, bro. Like, look at this. On the PC, which this is an old PC, guys. But it's been your boys, Team EAS. Until next time, see ya, and we out. Peace.